Hey guys, how are you? So in this video, I want to tell you something what I learned from 5 years. I'm doing here security guard job, and so many of facing problems. Sometimes I getting frustrated from the problems, my job and people's. When I started speaking English, so I have no idea to how to start, how to speak with confidence. So I sometimes I hesitate to speak because of this is not my native language. This is the international language, and I have to desire to do with speak with confidence. So I learn, I watch TED Talk videos, I practice with Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and they'll help me lots of things like when I'm getting free. So I just do 1 to 2 hours speak with Gemini and sharing my ideas of what I'm doing, what I have to do, and sometimes I ask questions to Gemini, ChatGPT, and they give me an idea how to resolve the problems and how to like say something in English. So and I also improve my accent and pronunciation because if you speaking in English, so not only the rhythm is important, also accent pronunciation is important because you just speaking English. So people are saying you're just normal in English. If your accent is good, so people just say your English is mind blowing, and they will inspire from you, and you'll getting more confident to speak more. So that's the things. Only not you if you have not lots of educational degrees. This is not important information. Important. So important is that you have an idea, knowledge, and knowledge will rule the world. Like if you have a knowledge, so you'll just break out the violence. Okay. So this is important. Just keep your info, improve your English by daily practice. If you have not any confidence, like you are speaking with only one people, you are speaking with confident. But when standing lots of people like in front of you, 100 to 10 100 people, so you're just confusing about to how people look at me and how they say what are you saying. So this is the problems of every person who are in beginning, so learning something in initial days. So this is important, and just go for practice, record your videos on your mobile phone. Just see what is your mistakes are going on. Just improve your mistakes, and you will be getting confidence. Okay, just consistently learning is more important. Improving your vocabulary, improving your accent, so is very important. Thank you so much. This is just the information I'll give you to improve your confidence, and I am also improving my confidence because learning is important. Okay, don't see the problems, don't see the your any kind of procrastination you're seeing. So just go for your future, and you'll be shine in the world next day.